Hi, and welcome back to the galley. I'm Chef Sabrina Breezy Arlotta, here to bring you some fun tips to make being a chef not so physically challenging when you're working your booty off in the galley, on a yacht, or on land, or even if you're home. Being in the kitchen all day can be super challenging for your body, and sometimes you feel some pain. Yes, you do. We all feel it. We don't have time to just, hey, see you later, I'm gonna take the day off and go to a masseuse. So we can do the massaging ourselves, right? All right, this little ball saves my life. It's soft yet hard. And I used to roll around on the floor with it. And then I realized I don't have a whole lot of time or space. My cabin is very small. There really isn't anywhere to roll around on the floor here on yacht. Certainly can't do it here in the galley, can I? So I devised this fantastic way to get a great little massage using a wall or the cabinet door, or in this case, the refrigerator. All right, it's nice and firm. It's not going to be damaged or scratched. And this is a great place for me to roll around. So I just take the ball, put it wherever I'm feeling some pain, and just roll around on it. Ends up being a really great leg workout as well. Oh yeah, really, really nice. And right now I'm just above my hip bones right there. Gosh, that feels really good. Can you see where the ball is? Yeah, it's really nice. Sometimes it falls down. Let's put it up top here, right? The shoulder blades are an area where a lot of us complain. Oh, right there. So you can push on it, and now I'm bouncing up and down on my knees, and I'm up on my tippy toes actually. You could be down on your flat foot, but then just roll around. You end up bending your knees, and going up on that shoulder. Oh gosh, that feels so good. Oh, really great. It also feels wonderful to go up and down your spine. And again, this is also incorporating a nice little squat. Squats are great for everything, right? And if it happens to fall down, just watch your back when you pick it up. And wow, this really, really improves the movement when we're starting to get really, really stiff after a couple months in, no days off, or a full week of crazy charter. A summer with owners living on board. Oh, it's a lot of work. So getting a little workout helps a lot. It helps for our health. And look, healthier chefs make more delicious food, right? Healthy, happy chefs make delicious food. So that's another great tip from me to you to improve your life as a chef, whether you're on land or sea, floating around on earth, or at home with your family. Fun times here in the galley. Healthier chefs make more delicious food, right? I'll see you soon with more fantastic tips live from the galley. Have a great day.
In the sky, private chef on the yacht, 7 days we play.